Hello students, I am Madhuri from Yash classes. Today we are going to see first chapter of geometry, that is similarity, and from that chapter we are going to see the first theorem, that is the most important theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. Okay, first we will read what is that basic proportionality theorem. The theorem is, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersect the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Now we will see what is the meaning of this theorem. See, here if a line parallel, see here, if this line L is parallel to one side of a triangle, that is, if line L is parallel to, if we give the triangle name ABC, then L is parallel to BC. If a line is parallel to one side of a triangle and that side, if it intersects the remaining two sides, means AB and AC, in two distinct points, those two distinct points are P and Q, then that line divides the sides in the same proportion, means line L should divide AB and AC in the same proportion, means we have to prove AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. This is the basic proportionality theorem and the most important theorem. Okay, what the meaning? Once again we will see what's the theorem. If a line, means this line is parallel to one side of a triangle, then see, line L is parallel to BC, this is one given, and again this line intersects the remaining two sides in two distinct points, means this line L intersects AB in point P and AC in point Q, then what that line do? It intersects or it divides those two sides in the same proportion, means AP upon PB is equal to, we have to prove AQ upon QC. Okay, now we will prove AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC step by step. Okay, see here. Now how to prove that? Now here there is one construction we have to do. What's that construction? See, we are going to join PC and QB. This is the construction. Okay, now see, this is the proof, how to prove that theorem. We are going to take two triangles, that is APQ and BPQ. In the figure we will see those two triangles first. The first triangle is APQ, this is the triangle APQ, and the next is BPQ, this is the second triangle. So in these two triangles, if we look at those two triangles, we will see that these two triangles have common vertex, and that common vertex is, see here, triangle, first triangle APQ, second triangle PBQ. As these two triangles are on the same line APB and they have common vertex, that is point Q. So these two triangles have same height. हमें ये प्रॉपर्टी मालूम है कि अगर वो दो ट्रायंगल्स का वर्टेक्स सेम है तो उनकी हाइट कैसे है, सेम है. and we know the property. If the two triangles have same height, then अगर हमने ये दो ट्रायंगल्स के एरियाज का रेशो लिखा तो it will be equal to the ratio of their bases. ओके अगर उनकी हाइट सेम है तो उनके एरियाज का रेशियो इज इक्वल टू, हमने प्रॉपर्टी देखी हुई है ये प्रॉपर्टी कौन सी है, इफ़ टू ट्रायंगल्स हैव सेम हाइट देन ratios of areas of these two triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding base. Okay, तो यहाँ पे I have written that area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to AP upon PB. AP क्या है, फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल का बेस एंड PB सेकंड ट्रायंगल का बेस. As we have taken these two triangles, now we are going to take another two triangles. See here. तो फर्स्टली हमें क्या मिला, APQ upon PBQ is equal to AP upon PB. Now we are going to take another two triangles. See what are those two triangles? I will take the same APQ triangle, but here I will take triangle PQC. Now if we see these two triangles, ये दो triangles भी same base AQC पे ही है और these two triangles have same vertex that is P. Means again triangle APQ and triangle PQC have same height. So अगर ये दो ट्रायंगल्स का भी मैंने अगर एरियाज का रेशियो लिखा तो इट विल बी इक्वल टू देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग बेसेस. तो APQ का बेस AQ है और PQC का बेस QC है. तो हमने पहले ये दो ट्रायंगल्स लिए, अब ये दो ट्रायंगल्स लिए और उनका भी एरियाज का रेशियो लिखा. तो हमें क्या मिला देखिए यहाँ पे, आई हैव रिटन हियर इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2. इफ वी सी इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2, we will see now that numerator of the left hand side is equal in both the equations. But what about the denominator? See here, in denominator there is triangle PQB and here denominator में कौन सा ट्रायंगल है, PQC. अगर ये दो ट्रायंगल्स हमने डायग्राम में देखे तो देखिए ये दो ट्रायंगल्स, ट्रायंगल कौन कौन से लिए हमने, तो फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल इज ट्रायंगल PQB, डिनोमिनेटर का फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल, एंड सेकंड ट्रायंगल इज ट्रायंगल PQC. If we see these two triangles, we find that their base is same, that is or common, that is PQ. And these two triangles, ये दो ट्रायंगल्स दो पैरेलल लाइंस में हैं. Means these two triangles have common base and those two triangles are present in two parallel lines. और हमें क्या मालूम है कि अगर दो ट्रायंगल्स पैरेलल लाइन में है तो उनकी हाइट भी सेम रहती है. तो these two triangles have same height and same base. इक्वल हाइट एंड इक्वल बेस अगर है तो उनके एरियाज भी सेम होते हैं. तो यहाँ पे I have written that, see here, triangle PQB and triangle PQC have common base PQ, and as these two triangles are present in two parallel lines, so they have equal height. अगर उनकी हाइट एंड बेस सेम है तो उनके एरियाज भी इक्वल है. तो from this what we have proved, see here, from these two equations, in these two equations उनका न्यूमरेटर सेम है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का, डिनोमिनेटर भी हमने अभी प्रूव किया कि इक्वल है. सो these two triangles have their sorry, these two equations have their left hand side equal. So right hand side will be equal, and that right hand side is AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. तो यही हमारा टू प्रूव था जो हमने प्रूव कर दिया. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमने फर्स्ट बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम कंप्लीट कर लिया है और इसका कॉन्वर्स हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे.